this video we will do hexadecimal to decimal conversion as well as hexadecimal to binary conversion. Firstly we will do hexa to decimal conversion. Okay, in this conversion suppose the number is 356. If you have to convert a number with both integer and fractional part, I am going to tell you that before decimal, the integer part, okay, the positional values you will be writing in this direction, and after decimal will be in this direction. Before decimal integer part, the first digit from this direction will be the least significant digit, LSD, and this one will be the most significant digit. In this, 6 is the least significant digit. The positional value or the weight of this digit will be 0 and base will be 16. Then the next, the higher weight will be 1. Okay, the next digit will be having the higher weight than this, that is 1. 16 base 1 power. Then 3, 16 power 2. Now how to calculate? 6 into 16 power 0 plus 5 into 16 power 1 plus 3 into 16 power 2. Now 3 into 16 power 2 will be 768 plus 5 into 16 power 1. It means 5 into 16. So this will be 80. Then 6 into 16 power 0. So instead of 16 power 0 we will be writing 1. So the answer will be 6 into 1, 6. Then what we will be getting? 8, 5, 4 base 10. Okay. This is an example of hexadecimal to decimal conversion. We are converting 356 from base 16 to base 10 to decimal. Okay. Now another example I am taking. ABC decimal, hexadecimal 4D. Okay, ABC point decimal 4D. Now this will be 16 power 0 power 1, 16 power 2, and in this direction fractional part will be written in this direction. Like this will be 16 power minus 1, starting with minus 1, 16 power minus 2. Okay, so how we will write C, or we will start with A into 16 power 2 plus B into 16 power 1 plus C into 16 power 0. Okay, plus this direction 4 into 16 power minus 1 plus D into 16 power minus 2. D is equivalent to 13 in hexa. Okay, in hexadecimal number system we work with 16 numbers in total. Okay, out of which till 9, after 9 we will be writing 10. Instead of writing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we will be writing A to F. Okay, so D will be 13. So this will be 13 into 16 minus 2. A will be 10 into 16 power 2. B, instead of B we will be writing, for calculation we will be writing 11 into 1 plus A, B, C, this will be 12 into 16 power 0 plus 4 into 16 power minus 1 plus 13 into this. Now what will be the answer of 10 into 16 power 2? This will be 10 into 256 plus 11 into 16 plus 12 into 1 plus 4 into 16 minus 1, 4 into 0.0625 plus 13 into 16 power minus 2. Okay, so this will be 0.0039062. Okay, then this will be 2560, then 12 into 1 plus 4 into 0.0625 will be 0.25 plus this will be 0.05078006. 0.05078006. Okay, and the final answer will be 2748.3007 base 10. This will be the final answer. Okay, so the decimal equivalent of ABC 0.4 decimal 4D base 16 is equivalent to 2748 decimal 3007 decimal in decimal. Okay, so this is hexa to decimal conversion. Now come to hexa to binary conversion. Very simple conversion is this. In this, each hexa digit, this is a hexadecimal number, each hexa digit is converted to its binary equivalent. Okay, but remember 4-bit binary equivalent. Okay, you will be writing, instead of A, you will be writing 4-bit binary equivalent of A, then 4-bit binary equivalent of B, 4-bit binary equivalent of C, then decimal, then 4-bit binary equivalent of 4 and 4-bit binary equivalent of 5 as well. Okay, and you will combine your answer. That will be the binary equivalent of this hexadecimal number. Now you can do this with the help of table also. That will be easy for you, and if you remember, you can write down by your own. If you know what is the binary equivalent of 4, what is the binary equivalent of 5, you can write down straight directly. Okay, so I'm just going to, those who don't know the binary equivalents, 8 times 0, 8 times 1, then 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, then 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0. Okay, and write down the corresponding the equivalent hexadecimal numbers: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 9 onwards. Instead of 10, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you can write down the binary equivalent very easily from this table. Instead of A, you will be writing the binary equivalent of A will be 1010. Okay, so write down 1010 for A. Now for B 1011 1011. Then C 1100 1100 decimal. 4 0100 0100. Then 5 0101. Okay, this way you can write the binary equivalent very easily. Okay, so ABC 0.45 and the binary equivalent of A is 1010, binary equivalent of B is 1011, C is 1100. You have written all the equivalents. Then decimal is there, decimal. Then binary equivalent of 4 is 0100, followed by the binary equivalent of 5, that is 0101. Okay, this is the way you can easily convert hexadecimal number to a binary number. Okay, now one more example we will do, that is 9F2. So what will be the binary equivalent of 9? 1001 1001. Then F 4 times 1. Then 2 0010. You have to write the binary equivalent using 4 bits. Okay, so this combine all the answers 1001 1111 010. This will be the binary equivalent of hexadecimal number 9F2.